Hello and welcome to the channel. Are you really short of money right now? Need some cash to pay for that long-anticipated vacation you've been dreaming about for months? How about dropping by the local pawn shop? Just kidding. That's not what our today's video is about. This time we are going to be talking about a platform that will let you borrow money. Digital money to be precise. The project is called the Digital Reserve, and in the next few minutes we'll be going over what this thing is all about, their upcoming ICO and tokens. We'll also take a look at the people making it all work and give you our take on the entire concept behind the Digital Reserve. By the way, in our next video, we'll be talking about Ucashi, a cryptocurrency based on consumer cashback program. So if you're interested, come check that out and remember to subscribe to our channel. You can also press that bell icon to get an instant notification once we've uploaded a new video. But before we go any further, here's a quick disclaimer. We're not financial experts, and this review cannot be regarded as professional investment advice. So we suggest our viewers do more research on their own before considering any investment in this particular project. The Digital Reserve is a solution for individuals and businesses to transfer money as well as for lending and borrowing funds without collateral. In order to participate in the ecosystem, you have to be verified. After verification process is complete, you're good to go and place your bid for a loan. If you play by the book and repay on time, your credit reputation will improve, so you can place bigger bids. If you fail to repay in a timely manner, further borrowing will be frozen. And there are of course opportunities to earn with this project as a lender as well as a minter by locking up part of your funds. So, who are the main competitors of the Digital Reserve and what sets this project apart from them? The DR's main rivals would be the payday financial services providers that charge incredibly high interest rates up to 400%. And we're all aware of many other negative traits of this type of establishments, such as deceitful advertising and aggressive collection tactics. Also, some kind of collateral is often required when applying for a loan. According to the stats presented in the white paper, in the United States, 49% of all residents are living paycheck to paycheck, and approximately 12 million Americans are expected to turn to payday loans. The DR is going to tackle all these issues by introducing a platform where lenders and borrowers interact on the terms they set by themselves. However, there will be restrictions. For example, the network's interest rates will have a capped upper limit of 35 to 45%. The Digital Reserve Network's native currency is the Denarii, and the team is building a separate blockchain focused on their specific use case. The network utilizes a type of proof-of-stake protocol in which one block of transactions is generated in 1 second. The initial supply is 6 billion tokens. Of that 6 billion, 20% will be managed by the Digital Reserve for its ongoing operations and dividends. The rest will be distributed to the public. The public sale starts next year on May 20th, and 1 token will cost 1 cent. What currencies will be accepted and whether there are restrictions on participation for nationals of specific countries is still to be announced. The CEO of the Digital Reserve refers to the micro-lending platform they're developing as the MVP. Right now, it's being retooled for a demonstration in Liberia and in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. As for the Digital Reserve Network, the first testnet was launched last September, according to the poorly visualized roadmap in the Q&A section. There's been no report as to how well it's been performing and what needs to be fine-tuned. However, the Digital Reserve Network is expected to launch in May 2019. The Digital Reserve Public Benefit Company is registered in the United States, and the entire team is made up of just 5 individuals. We would like to mention 3 of them. Denarii Peterson is the CEO of the enterprise. He's a seasoned blockchain entrepreneur and Carnegie Mellon Engineering and Public Policy PhD candidate. He's a co-founder of the Quantum Resistant Ledger, a company that has a valuation of over $100 million. In addition, he has an MBA in Strategy and Logistics. Joshua Rittenberg is a co-founder at the DR. Joshua is a corporate and intellectual property attorney with nearly 4 years of experience at Kramer Levin, a V100 law firm. Emmanuel Johnson is one of the actual developers on the team, a PhD student at the University of Southern California in the Computer Science Department. He holds a master's degree in robotics from the University of Birmingham and a bachelor's degree in computer engineering from North Carolina Agricultural and Technical State University. The DR has accounts on multiple social media sites such as Facebook, Twitter, Medium, YouTube, Bitcoin Talk, and Telegram. The Facebook and Twitter links contained on the website don't lead anywhere other than back to the website. Also, there is an option to get in touch with the team by filling out a form in the Q&A and Contact Us sections. We've tried both, but several days passed, there was no response. All in all, their social media are so slow that it creates an impression that the project has been put on pause or suspended. For reference, the latest update in their Medium blog was posted last July. While there are lots of spelling errors on the website as well as in the white paper, the workings of the network itself are described quite inconsistently. Even their social media network appears to be quite incoherent at the moment. So a question then arises, how is the DR going to manage a remittance and lending network effectively? We had to search very hard to find pretty basic and crucial info on this project, like the company's country of origin, ICO timelines, and team experience. This data was really scattered, and there is another major downside. You can only transact in one single currency, and there are no plans as of yet to change it, because the DR intends to partner with merchants so they accept Denarii, as described in one of the use cases in the white paper. In order to convert Denarii into fiat or some different digital currency, users will have to turn to an exchange, which often means high fees and unnecessary hassle. Perhaps the idea will grow into something bigger, but for the time being, we'd recommend that you wait until further updates from the executives. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and join us now to stay updated on all of our upcoming videos. We roll them out daily, Monday through Friday, so stay tuned.